Welcome. This is a place in Shri Jyoti star where you enter data. This is version 10, but it's quite similar to version 9 with some significant improvements. These are the principal fields here, and below it are the fields relating to the atlas, which are filled in automatically, but can be adjusted if you wish. This is the list box, which will typically include lists of charts you have in your database. This can be filtered in various ways using the lists pull down. We call this a pull down here. So you can see charts according to various planetary positions, both sidereal and tropical, as well as others. And there are some handy buttons here. It's alphabetical. This is based on the last charts you entered at the top. It was very convenient. And then sometimes there's nothing here because we haven't yet loaded a chart, and so there's no question of anything being linked to it. So when we want to start, we just begin typing. The default is the name field, so you just start typing here. And when you start typing, you'll see any matching charts in your database will come up. So this is a very fast way of finding a chart when you want to load it. But if we're entering a new chart, we can just enter the chart and then tab the next field. This is the date. Tab is in the upper left corner of your keyboard. You can also click in the next field. This is the date. It's set for month, day, year, but you can change this to the day, month, year here in the File menu. In the File menu, you can also adjust to last name, first name, if you wish. Now, dates are entered in this case, month, day, year. It doesn't matter what you put between the month, the day, and the year. It could be a space, like this. And when you finish, it will be tidied up by the software. Now, it knew we'd finished because it was set to assume 4-digit years. You can set it for 2-digit years, or you can have both of these unchecked. And then it could be, some dates outside of the 4-digit range. Now, the time, she was born at 9 p.m., so we can just enter 9p actually, like this. Or I could have entered 21 and pressed the tab key, or I could have entered 21p. If you enter A or P, it'll just jump to the next field because it knows you're finished. So she was born in Massachusetts. I can type MA and press the tab key. It'll assume it's Massachusetts. Now you see each state or country has a short form, like MA for Massachusetts, CA for California, UK for United Kingdom. So many of these short forms are kind of obvious. You can enter the short form. Otherwise, you just enter as much of the full name as you need. You select from the list, or if you reduce the list to 1, it will just automatically put the short form and jump to the city field. So she was born in Lowell. And you see there are a few names including the word Lowell in Massachusetts, but there's only one actual Lowell, which is here in Middlesex County. You can select that. The asterisk here means it's a larger place. So in countries where there's a lot of small villages, you can sort out between the small villages and the larger places with the asterisk. Then the last field is the first letter of the name. This is basically the first Sanskrit sound. So it's got all the possible choices in this pull down here, and you can select if you need to, but generally it does a pretty good job of doing it for you. The value of this is that you can see the name in the chart. Each Sanskrit sound is assigned to some part of the zodiac, and then you can even use it for calculating dashas, and it often works very well. So having entered all the data, the atlas data is entered here. And all we have to do now is click OK, and it'll ask you if you want to save it. So you just say yes, and it's saved. Thank you.